Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Healthy Paws Pet Insurance. Healthy Paws Pet Insurance offers pet health insurance plans to help pet owners cover veterinary expenses. Its main purpose is to provide financial protection against unexpected veterinary bills for dogs and cats. Key features include accident and illness coverage, various plan options, and reimbursement for vet visits. Their website provides details on coverage options and pricing. They highlight their straightforward pricing with no hidden fees and no contracts. They emphasize a quick and easy claims process. Availability is nationwide in the US. You can check their website to see if your specific needs are covered and get a quote. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Healthy Paws Pet Insurance. Getting started was a breeze. I filled out an online application, providing details about my dog, Buster, a mischievous golden retriever. The process took less than 15 minutes. Navigating their website was intuitive. I easily found information on coverage levels and pricing. I opted for their accident and illness plan. A few weeks later, disaster struck. Buster swallowed a sock. The vet bill was substantial, but submitting a claim through their online portal was straightforward. I uploaded the vet bill and within a week, I received reimbursement. I was really impressed by how quickly they processed the claim. I had a quick question about a specific exclusion on my policy and their support responded within 2 days via email. One minor drawback was that their website didn't have a mobile app, but I didn't find this to be a major inconvenience. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and ease of their claims process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Healthy Paws Pet Insurance. It provided peace of mind and significantly reduced the financial burden of Buster's unexpected veterinary visit. That's my overview of Healthy Paws Pet Insurance. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.